Let us challenge a common belief: running isn't the only or even the best way to build cardio fitness, especially after 40 or 50. People have assumed that pounding the pavement for miles is the ultimate measure of cardiovascular health. But here's the truth: running is just one tool, and for many adults, it is not the safest or most effective approach. Joint stress, repetitive impact, and the potential for overuse injuries make long-distance running a risk for aging bodies. You can develop remarkable cardio fitness, increase stamina, burn calories, and improve heart health without ever stepping into a marathon routine. It all comes down to 4 highly effective movements that challenge the heart and lungs while respecting your joints. The first move is low-impact interval stepping. Think of it as the alternative to running in place or stair climbing. You're still elevating your heart rate, but you're protecting knees, hips, and ankles from repetitive pounding. The technique is simple: step onto a sturdy platform like a low-step aerobic bench or even a stair, alternating feet at a quick pace for 30 to 60 seconds, then rest or slow down for 15-30 seconds and repeat. This method combines cardiovascular challenge with lower body strength engagement, targeting glutes, quads, and calves while boosting your heart rate efficiently. The beauty of stepping intervals is that you can adjust intensity without increasing risk. Step higher for more challenge. Add arm movements for total body engagement, or increase speed for a tougher cardio burst. Unlike running, which can exacerbate joint pain or plantar fasciitis, stepping intervals are joint-friendly and versatile. This is especially important after 50, when impact-related injuries can linger and derail fitness progress. The second move is shadow boxing with controlled footwork. Boxing has been used for decades as a total body cardio workout, and it is perfect for adults looking to improve endurance without running. Start by moving lightly on your feet, maintaining a slight bend in your knees, and throw controlled punches, jabs, crosses, hooks, and uppercuts. Focus on coordination and rhythm rather than brute force. The key is continuous movement, keeping your heart rate elevated while engaging core, shoulders, and legs. Shadow boxing improves agility, reaction time, and overall cardiovascular health. It is a surprising way to condition the body because it requires coordination between the upper and lower body while maintaining balance. Unlike running, which primarily stresses the legs, boxing creates a full body stimulus, improving heart efficiency and muscular endurance simultaneously. You can start with intervals of 30-60 seconds of punching followed by 15 seconds of rest, and gradually increase duration as stamina improves. The third move is kettlebell swings or hip hinge intervals. Kettlebell swings are more than a strength exercise, they're a powerful cardio tool. By combining explosive hip extension with controlled arm movement, you elevate your heart rate while engaging the glutes, hamstrings, core, and shoulders. This functional motion mimics real-life power patterns, improves posture, and builds cardiovascular endurance in a way running alone cannot. Technique is critical for kettlebell swings. Start with feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent, hinge at the hips, and swing the kettlebell with power from the hips, not the arms. Perform 15-20 controlled reps in quick succession, rest, and repeat for several rounds. If a kettlebell isn't available, a dumbbell or even bodyweight hip hinge motion can replicate much of the movement. For adults over 50, kettlebell swings improve both cardio fitness and posterior chain strength, reducing the risk of falls and enhancing daily movement efficiency. The fourth move is high-intensity bodyweight circuits. This approach combines classic bodyweight exercises, squats, lunges, push-ups, and mountain climbers in a rapid sequence with minimal rest. The objective is to keep the heart rate elevated while using multiple muscle groups. For example, perform 30 seconds of squats, immediately followed by 30 seconds of push-ups, then lunges, and finally a cardio move like jumping jacks or low-impact mountain climbers. Rest briefly and repeat for 3-5 rounds. The beauty of bodyweight circuits is scalability. You control intensity, impact, and duration, making it safe for aging joints while still providing a strong cardiovascular stimulus. Unlike steady-state running, which can plateau, circuits create variable stress and improve both anaerobic and aerobic capacity. Over time, this enhances stamina, increases calorie burn, and strengthens multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Why do these 4 movements outperform running for many adults over 40 or 50? First, they reduce joint stress. Repetitive pounding from running can aggravate knees, hips, and lower back. Second, they combine strength and cardio, which improves functional capacity for daily life. Third, they allow interval-based training, which is scientifically proven to improve cardiovascular efficiency, metabolic function, and endurance more effectively than steady, state cardio in shorter periods. Another benefit is adaptability. Stepping intervals, shadow boxing, kettlebell swings, and bodyweight circuits can be done at home or in small spaces with minimal equipment. They are not dependent on weather, footwear, or large distances. This convenience increases consistency, a key factor in long-term cardiovascular improvement. Consistency is where most people fail with running. You have to commit to miles, time, and often a specific route. Miss a day, and momentum is lost. With these 4 alternative moves, you can achieve meaningful cardiovascular improvements in 20-30 minutes, 3 to 4 times per week. You maintain progress without risking injury or burnout. Let us also touch on recovery. Running can be demanding on muscles, tendons, and joints, requiring careful attention to recovery, stretching, and injury prevention. Low-impact alternatives like these 4 moves minimize excessive strain while still creating a cardiovascular challenge. Incorporating mobility work and controlled stretching post-session ensures your joints and muscles remain supple, reducing the risk of cumulative damage. Here's a strategy for structuring your workout. Begin with a 5-minute warm-up, light marching in place, dynamic stretches, or gentle joint mobility. Then perform intervals 30-60 seconds of each movement followed by short rests. Cycle through all 4 exercises, repeat 2-3 rounds depending on fitness level, and finish with 5 minutes of cool down, including deep breathing and gentle stretches. Total workout time 25-30 minutes, yet it delivers robust cardiovascular benefits comparable to or even exceeding a 30-40-minute run. It is also important to note that these moves stimulate multiple energy systems. Running primarily targets aerobic capacity, but these 4 exercises engage both aerobic and anaerobic systems, improving endurance, explosiveness, and recovery rate. Over time, your cardiovascular efficiency improves across a broader spectrum of activity. Mental engagement is another advantage. Running can be monotonous for many, leading to boredom or decreased motivation. These varied movements require coordination, focus, and rhythm, keeping the mind actively involved. This cognitive engagement has its own anti-aging benefits, helping maintain focus, reaction time, and mental resilience. For people over 50, it is crucial to respect joint health while maintaining heart health. Running is not inherently bad, but for many adults, low-impact alternatives provide equal or superior benefits with less risk. By incorporating these 4 moves into a weekly routine, you protect your joints, strengthen multiple muscle groups, and enhance cardiovascular fitness, all while keeping workouts interesting and efficient. Consistency is everything. Aim to perform these exercises 3 to 4 times per week, progressively increasing intensity as fitness improves. You can add small weights, increase the speed of intervals, or extend work periods while shortening rests. The cardiovascular system adapts quickly to consistent stress, and these 4 moves provide just the right balance of challenge and safety. Finally, remember that cardio fitness is about more than just the heart. It is about stamina, endurance, energy for daily activities, and the ability to move with confidence as you age. By choosing functional, joint-friendly movements over traditional running, you create a sustainable path to health that supports long-term vitality. Imagine waking up 10 years from now with energy to walk, hike, play with grandchildren, or travel without exhaustion. Your cardiovascular system is strong, your joints feel good, and you have functional strength for real life, not just the ability to complete a long run. These 4 movements, stepping intervals, shadow boxing, kettlebell swings, and bodyweight circuits, are all you need to build a robust and focus on smart, low-impact, functional movement. Challenge your heart, move your body, and build a foundation that lasts decades. Your cardio fitness isn't limited by your age. It is defined by your choices, consistency, and the movements you commit to every week. After 40 or 50, it is not about running farther or faster. Start today, embrace these 4 moves, and watch your endurance, energy, and vitality soar without ever setting foot on a treadmill.